Many congratulations to all the students who have qualified NET and JRF. So all these students who have qualified through our filler form and those who have not, should not be angry or sad, brother. The exam will come again after 5 months. So failure is the part of the success. Now today in this video we have received comments from many people that, sir, I have cleared NET. Will I get fellowship or not? This time, guys, more than 54,000 students from all over India have qualified NET here. Now NET people will get failure or not, but filler form is giving them a golden opportunity. Guys, if you have qualified NET, then you are being given 90% off on all the courses of filler form, and if you have qualified PhD, then you are being given 75% off. Whereas if you have only given the exam and you could not qualify, then you are being given 50% off. You can get all the information about this on the given number. Now let's talk, guys. Whenever we qualify NET, its main purpose is that you can apply for PhD, and along with that you can qualify any assistant professor's exam. It is valid for this. Now the thing about fellowship is that if your JRF is qualified, then you will be given fellowship. But you don't have to take any tension. Guys, in India there are many government, private and state colleges and universities which give you fellowship on PhD entrance exam. Yes guys, you heard it right. Fellowship is given. So what do you have to do? You don't have to do anything. If you like me, I am from Jaipur. Okay, so I will see how many PhD colleges are there in Jaipur. So I will make a list. Then my subject is computer science. So I will see in which colleges computer science subject is there. Then I will call them by taking number from their website and ask them, what is it, sir? So you people will have to find out like this. Now you will have to work hard, because when you do these things, you will get to know the original things by someone telling you or by going to someone's website that, yes brother, where can I get this? All this can be fake, but when you call, you will also understand what all is happening. So you will have to do this thing. But if you have cleared NET, guys, then what should you do now? Apply for PhD and start preparing for assistant professor, or you can join a private job, because look friend, it is important to get experience. If you have cleared NET, then take advantage of it. You can join any job. You do not have to pay attention to how much salary you will get right now. Okay? But you must join. Okay? If you need any other help, then you can comment us in the comment box. On the other hand, guys, if you want to join this course, you will get it at a very minimum price, like 300 to 800. So you can contact us on the given number. If you like the video, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. And thank you so much for watching this video. Have a nice day. Take care.